In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run onboarding in Notion. We'll start right from the beginning and end with a clean workflow you can use for every new hire. First, head to notion.com in your browser. On the home page, click Login. For a quick sign-in, choose the Google option and select your Google account to authenticate. Once you're in, look near the top left of the screen for the Workspace dropdown. Open it to confirm you're in the correct team workspace, not a personal one, so your onboarding setup is shared with the right people. Next, open templates. Templates are a great way to save time and borrow proven structures. You can always start from scratch, but using a template gives you a solid foundation you can customize later. In the template gallery, click the search field and type a keyword like onboarding. Browse the results, click the template that fits your needs to preview it, and then click Add to bring it into your workspace. After it's added, open the template you just created so we can configure it for day-to-day use. Inside the onboarding database, you'll usually find multiple views. Click by status to see the board layout grouped by stage. This is ideal for tracking progress at a glance. Then click Table View to switch to a spreadsheet-like layout where it's easier to add and edit details in bulk. In the table, click New Page to create a new onboarding entry for a hire. Give it a clear title, then click the department field and select the relevant department so tasks and resources align with the team they're joining. Next, click the status field and choose the appropriate stage. This keeps the workflow moving and signals to others where things stand. Click Start Date and pick the hire's start date so timelines and reminders line up with the calendar. With those details set, switch back to the board view to watch the item appear in the correct status column. This visual pipeline makes it simple to drag the entry forward as tasks are completed, from preparing accounts to the first week checklist. That's the core flow. Log in, choose the right workspace, add an onboarding template, and then use Table View to add precise details while relying on By Status to manage progress. Repeat this for each new hire, and keep status and dates updated so the whole team stays in sync. If you ever need to refine the process, you can adjust the template later without disrupting your existing entries. Thanks for following along, and you're ready to run onboarding in Notion with confidence.